dear children. Welcome to online maths class. Last class we learned 3.2 miscellaneous exercises. Now we are going to see about challenging problem in the same exercise. Question number 5. A fruit seller bought 2 dozen of bananas at rupees 20 a dozen and sold them at rupees 3 per banana. Find his gain or loss. What is given? 1 dozen bananas cost is given. We want to find the 2 dozen bananas and he sold them, that is selling price. Selling price for each banana is 3 rupees. Then we want to find he is getting a profit or loss. Okay ma'am. Let's see the solution now. Cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees 20. Cost of 2 dozen banana 20 into 2 rupees 40. Therefore the cost price for the banana is rupees 40. Then selling price for 1 banana is rupees 3. For the 2 dozen means 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 2 dozen means 24. So 3 into 24 which is equal to 72. Here is cost price is 40. Selling price is 72. If here selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. There is a profit. So profit is equal to SB minus CP, that is equal to 72 minus 40, that is equal to 32. So the fruit seller got 32 rupees as a profit. 32 rupees as a profit. Move on to the next question. Question number 6. A store purchased pens at rupees 216 per dozen. He paid rupees 58 for conveyance and sold the pens at the discount of rupees 2 per pen and made an overall profit of rupees 50. Find the marked price of each pen. What is given in the question? 1 dozen pen cost is given and 58 rupees is a conveyance, that should be included in cost price, and discount is allowed for rupees per 2 or per pen. He is getting overall profit of 50. So what is a marked price? So let me see the solution now. So cost of 1 dozen pen is rupees 216 plus that conveys 58. So total cost price is rupees 274. Discount for each pen is rupees 2. Overall profit is rupees 50. Therefore total discount for 12 pen, that is profit for overall. Then discount for 1 pen. We want to find for 1 dozen pen. Yes, here is 12 pen means, that is 1 dozen is 12 pens. So 12 into 2, 24 rupees is a discount. So we want to find the 12 pens selling price. Selling price formula with the help of market prices. Selling price is equal to market price minus discount. So selling price is equal to market price minus discount. From the help of the selling price formula and using the profit formula, we will find the market price. Okay, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Here selling price is market price minus rupees 24 and profit is rupees 50 and cost price is rupees 274. Apply the values and now we want to find the market price. We will add all the numbers given in the question, that is rupees 24, rupees 274 and rupees 50. If you add all these, you will get rupees 348. That is 1 dozen's market price. We want to find the market price for each pen. So 1 dozen is equal to 12 pens. So 348 divided by 12, which is equal to 174 divided by 6, that is equal to 29. So market price for each pen is rupees 29. Move on to the next question. Question number 7. A vegetable vendor buys 10 kg of tomato per day at rupees 10 per kg for the first 3 days of a week. 1 kg of tomato got smashed on every day for those 3 days. For the remaining 4 days of the week, he buys 15 kgs of tomato daily at rupees 8 per kg. If for the entire week he sells tomatoes at rupees 20 per kg, find his profit or loss for the week. Children, here he first 3 days he buys 10 kgs of tomato per 10 rupees per kg. On the next 4 days he buys 15 kg of tomatoes but 8 rupees per kg. but he sell them for rupees 20 per kg. Then also 1 kg of tomatoes got smashed every day. Every day he got a 1 kg of loss. So here we want to find the profit or loss of the week. First we will find how much kg of tomatoes he bought for the whole week. Okay, let's we see the solution now. So first we want to write total tomato bought for 3 days is 30 kg. Cost per 1 kg is rupees 10. So cost of 30 kg tomatoes is 30 into 10, which is equal to 300. Next he bought 4 days tomatoes, that is rupees 15 per kg. So 4 into 15, which is equal to 60 kg. Here is one cost of 1 kg of tomato is rupees 8. So 60 kg tomato is 60 into 8, that is 480. So totally he got 90 kg of tomatoes. In that total amount is rupees 780. That is cost price for the tomatoes. So cost price of the tomato is rupees 780. And he smashed how many kgs? 3 kgs, because first 3 days only he smashed the tomatoes. So 90 minus 3 is 87 kg only we have. 1 kg his selling price is 20 rupees. So 87 kgs is 1740. From the above we will know that cost price is 780, selling price is rupees 1740. So here is selling price is greater than cost price, that is a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 1750 minus 780, that is equal to 960. The fruit seller got, the vegetable vendor got rupees 960 as a profit. The last question in this session, question number 8. An electrician buys a used TV for rupees 12,000 and a used fridge for rupees 11,000. After spending rupees 1,000 on repairing the TV and rupees 1,500 on painting for fridge, he fixes the market price for the TV as rupees 15,000 and that of fridge was rupees 15,500. If he gives rupees 1,000 as a discount on each, find its profit or loss. So from the question, now we'll see the solution. Total cost price for the TV and fridge is, for the cost of the TV is 12,000, fridge is 11,000, repairing charges 1,000 plus 1,500. So if you add all these amount, we'll get 25,000 as a total cost price. Then selling price is equal to marked price minus discount, that is 15,000 minus 1,000, 14,000. Fridge, for fridge his selling price is 15,500 minus 1,000, 14,500. So total selling price for TV and fridge is 14,000 plus 14,500, 28,500. Here is cost price is 25,500 and selling price is rupees 28,500. So that is a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to rupees 28,500 minus 25,500, that is equal to 3,000. So the electrician got rupees 3,000 as a profit. Okay my dears, today's homework is recall all the sums related in this exercise. That is a homework. Okay, today's session is completed. Thank you.